Tiny bit of seasoning over there and serve up. So there you are, salt and pepper chicken made. How easy is that? Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a really good recipe. We are going to make salt and pepper chicken drumsticks Chinese style. Very easy to come together. We're going to use chicken drumsticks because I like gnawing on the drumstick. We're going to bang the veg together, but we have to cook the chicken first. So in here I have chicken drumsticks, and all we're going to do is add some sesame oil, nothing else. Nothing more to it than sesame oil, and give it a stir up. And then you take a tray that you want to use and you dump the chicken in the tray, and then we just stick it in the oven. So we got it stuck in the oven, and it's going to be in the oven for about 25, 30, 35 minutes, somewhere around there. Cook the chicken to how you like the chicken cooked. Obviously, make sure it's cooked. So that is it, plain and simple, can't do any more. Let it cook, and then we'll prep the veg. Easy as that. Now you can use any cut of chicken. I'm using the chicken drumsticks, but you know, you can go chicken breast, anything. Chicken thighs, it doesn't matter. You know, you don't even have to cook it. You can buy rotisserie chicken, use that. This is so straightforward, it's easy to do. Tasty recipe. Can't wait. Okay, chicken's had nearly enough time. We need to crack on with our veg. Veggies can't be any easier. Got a little bit of garlic. We're going to give that a little bit of a mashing and a little bit of a chopping. Chop it all over. Small as big as you like, doesn't matter. Don't like garlic, don't put it in. That'll do. That looks lovely. In there. Little bit of a pepper. These are small peppers. Now I've got 3 different colours, as you can see, red, yellow and green. That's going to make some nice colourful dish. Now you cube it or slice it, whatever you want, it's up to you, but try and keep it all the same. A little bit of continuity in there. And all that lot in a bowl. Chilli for colour. Nice diagonal cut on there. Again, bowl. We got a little bit of onion. That will do. And we've got some green onion. So nice and steady, we just want some centimetre-ish type lumps of green onion. And then with that stalk, I'm going to put that stalk in with the pepper. Or we could put it in with the onion, it didn't matter, but we want to fry that. This is going to be chucked in at the end. Right, let's crack on. Now we're using the salt and pepper chili seasoning that we've already made on the channel. So if you want to know how to make it, go ahead and follow the link. Let's get going. First job, there's our beautiful chicken there, look, cooked. Grab yourself a pan, just a tiny bit of oil in there, just to set this veg off. Little flame on. Let's get cooking, come on. Garlic in there. Now it's not a sizzle, we don't need to be burning anything, just a little bit of cooking on there. soon as you can smell that strong aroma going, you've got a little brown tinge, veg in, onions in, all of it. Little stir fry on all of this. A little bit of our seasoning in there. Oh, what a smell. Fabulous. Now it's only a little bit of a tinge on this, nothing too crazy. Just soften up that veg a little bit, you know. Chicken in there. A little bit of that flavouring on there. Flame off, chilies in, just a quick stir around. Green onion, serve. Tiny bit of seasoning over there and serve up. So there you are, salt and pepper chicken made. How easy is that? Come on. Come on, we're in. Got a drumstick. Wow. Oh, just amazing. Amazing. That is off the charts. Chicken is so tender. Veggies. Oh, come on. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Absolutely delicious. That salt and pepper seasoning, wow, unbelievable. Now, obviously, you can eat this any which way you want. That's entirely up to you. With some fries or just that with rice, whatever. Chicken, perfectly cooked. We cooked it in the oven. Salt and pepper seasoning. Whizzed it up. We got a Chinese chicken version. It's superb. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy this is to knock up. This is really simple. And if you do like what we're doing, it's a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.